the morning and everybody is asleep. But I got this yesterday. Well, my mom got it for me. How sweet is that? It's Marina Anchor's Bottle One. She's really cute. Mini little Oopsie. And I love her. And I just took the package off so that when I unbox it, it wouldn't take a long time. Comes with this little cute floor. Here's Marina herself, which is so cute. I love her. Her pet whale, and that's removable. Here is this little thing where she brushes herself. Sorry, it can't be any louder. Soap. Oh, not soap, sorry. It's like body wash or something. Here's the sink. It's really cute. It's very detailed. You can see my iPod there. So yeah, it's very detailed and everything. And then here's the bathroom. This plastic comes with this little thing they put over your bath like that. And then here's the bathtub itself. It is so cute. I recommend this for you, and it's really cute. So those are all the stuff you get with it. I'll just lay them out. How you might put it in a little Lucy house or something. Purse there. And you might just put that there. Like that. Okay, and then just those things there. And a big tub of water. Sorry, I don't know why I showed that. So this is the Marina Anchor set. It is very cute, and I recommend it for you guys. Bye. Peace.